cases have been prepared. The test cases, for the test cases, we can see what is the coverage, how many failed, pass, distribution, and then also I can see the issue submission trend. So how the issues are getting raised, what is the distribution of issues by status, and what is the type and status. Okay. So from one single dashboard, I can get to see the requirement items, the issue items, the test case items, the issues, their ages, and all these things. Okay. And by the way, these dashboards are, all these dashboards are configurable. You can create your dashboard as per your organization need. And as I said, it could be different for so if I go to, let's say, Terry's dashboard, it is a different dashboard. So these, since he is the tester, so his dashboard is containing mostly the test items. Okay. So one other thing that I would like to show you is a Word document. Okay. So let's get to the requirement specification document. Okay, so this is, as Kai was mentioning, that we have a feature as a Word add-in where you can create Word template-based reports, and then you can upload those templates to Kovair, and then you can run reports like the one that I'm kind of generating now. So this is generated on the fly, and it's getting shown here. So this is a kind of requirement specification document, as you can see here. Also, there is a table of contents. You can update the table of contents, enter table, okay. And now, see, so this is the document that has been created with the requirements and with all the images that either you created within Kovair or you have got it from your Word file. All are getting shown here. And also, let me see the one that we have created. So see, the number 32, customer requirement from portal for ALM Studio webinar. So let's get to that. So this is the customer requirement that we submitted, and this is the functional requirement that we linked with that customer requirement. And then also, so this is the functional requirement, and then if we go down, we could see also the test cases. We have not put the description, so that's why it's not showing up here, but you can see the test cases. And this is, again, is your customized template. So you can create the template, the way you want to organize it, the different kind of links that you want to put, the fields that you want to put, but it's a nicely formatted report that would be created. So that more or less kind of completes my part of the demo. I would now give it to Sky for any questions and stuff. But as you can see that this is a very extensive product, and we have shown certain features today. We have not been able to basically show a lot of other features. So if you are interested for any particular feature, you can contact us and we can give you a specific demo for your need. Thank you, Sky.
Thank you, Atmil. That was really a blast of demonstration of our product, and I think we have covered quite a bit of ground. We have covered the requirements management, test management, issues management. Also, we have shown the different kinds of dashboards, reports, including the Word report, including the Word import during the requirements management. So I hope that that gives you a pretty good overview of ALM Studio. And as Atanu has mentioned, that if you want to drill down to a particular area of ALM Studio and would like to see more, we would love to do a custom demonstration for you. So please get in touch with our salespeople. You can send an email to sales@kovair.com or give us a call. The contact information is on our website, www.kovair.com. In the meantime, I'm sure that you have got some questions. I see a few of the questions are already there. So I would encourage you to use the questions panel at the bottom of your GoToMeeting sections there, and please pose or write your questions, and we'll be happy to answer. So the first question is about the pricing. Now, the pricing depends on a couple of different things, depending on the on-premise, the number of users, whether it's on-premise or SaaS, etc. So if you can send an email to our sales, either sales@kovair.com or send through the contact page of website, our salespeople will be happy to contact you and give it a custom pricing based on your situation. And as I mentioned, that Kovair ALM Studio includes not just the requirements, test issues. Actually, we have some more entities as well, which Atanu has not covered today, like the risk management, release management, project management, etc. And basically, our pricing is very competitive against some of the other similar products in the market, which are actually much less functionally capable than Kovair, as well as pricing-wise also we are much better and more competitive than those products. Okay, so the second question is that, let's see. What is the integration with configuration management system? So this is actually, we have got quite a few configuration management or version control system integrations, starting with ClearCase from Rational. We also have, for example, Perforce, Subversion, TFS, which is a new one. As a matter of fact, Omnibus actually allows you to have multiple integrations simultaneously. So let's say you have a group who is using Perforce, another group is using Subversion. You can actually have this multiple integration simultaneously with ALM Studio, so that you can have the same requirements which is linked to the source code, one in Perforce and one in Subversion. So that is also possible in Kovair. Let's see, whether there is a possible to receive a copy of the presentation. Okay, yeah, sure, we can actually share it. As a matter of fact, what happens is that we link, we record our webinar, and this linking to the recording will be available from our website. So you'll be having the whole thing, not just the presentation, but also the demonstration. How does system gather requirements from email? Does email system have to be Outlook? How about Lotus Notes? Very good questions. The answer is it can be any email system. Actually, what we do the actual parsing of the emails. So it can be even Gmail or Hotmail. So we Kovair can actually monitor a particular email address. So if you send a requirement to that email address, Kovair checks that or rather parses that email using either POP3 or IMAP4, and then it parses that email for the title, description, and if there are any other fields. As a matter of fact, Kovair's integration with the email system goes just beyond that. You can not only can submit a new item, whether it's a requirement, whether it's an issue, whether it's a test case, whether it's a request, doesn't matter, but also you can actually participate in the process. So for example, the task can be sent as an email, and you can look at that email just like you have seen the task here, Atanu has shown you, and complete the task with all the inputs necessary on the email itself, and respond it back, and the process itself will parse that email and find out what is your input and how you have completed that task, and continue that process, just like what you have done through the browser. Okay, so the next question is, does the system interface with open source products such as Subversion? I just answered that question. Yes, it does. It, as a matter of fact, integrates with quite a few open source systems, starting from Subversion, of course. It does with Eclipse, with JUnit, and so we actually support quite a few different open source systems. Does system interface with open source products such as Jira? Okay, yeah. So again, that is the answer is yes. I think I mentioned that if you already have Jira, then you don't have to use Kovair's issue management system. You can, as a matter of